we have here our wood, our nameplate plaque that we've built with all our stuff glued on it. We have it sanded down and rounded with an 1/8 inch round on it. Now what we need to do now is we need to come back and sand seal this, and which creates which seals up all the pores on the wood and makes it easier to work with. One of the mistakes that a lot of people make is they go out and they buy a stain that's got like a dark walnut. If you're using a dark walnut, you're going to actually lose the artwork that you're producing on here. So it's best with a nameplate project is to work with something like sand sealer or a clear type varnish that you're going to put on it. Okay, we've got this ready to go. I'm going to take on this first side and sand seal the top here, and then we'll do the bottom when after it dries. Put this here. I'll go ahead and open this guy up, kind of stir it up a little bit, make sure it's ready to go. It's only going to take a few seconds. Put that there, grab my paintbrush, slide it down in here, and I put this on very liberally on this. Use a lot of that sand seal to put on it. Okay? I'll put that on pretty good. Make sure I dab it into all the pores of the wood and get it good and sealed up. Grab a little bit more.